Irrespective of how much you earn and how many years of service you still have, it is never too early to plan for your retirement. Remember, the sooner you start saving and investing for your retirement, the higher will be your retirement corpus and the more will be your pension. Therefore, you need to start your retirement planning as early as possible. You need to estimate your future expenses by factoring in inflation to check if you have built or are building a sufficient retirement corpus or not. Well, there are several investment products available in the market for retirement. A few are launched and backed by the state. The National Pension System, or the NPS, is among the most popular retirement solutions. It is widely accepted in the country and offers subscribers an excellent returns in the long run. There are several benefits of investing in NPS, the most important ones being the liberty to choose the asset allocation and calculators available on the internet to check if you are on the right track or not. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and in this video I will tell you how to use the NPS calculator to estimate your pension. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin with what exactly is an NPS calculator. An NPS calculator is a simulation or tool that allows you to estimate your pension wealth by the time you retire. By using an NPS calculator, you will have a fair idea of the monthly pension you will receive. It is driven by the inputs you provide, and the actual numbers may vary depending on various factors. You can use the ClearTax NPS calculator now to estimate your pension wealth. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Consider investing ₹1,000 every month in your NPS account and getting a return of 10% per annum. If your current age is 18 years and you wish to retire at 60 years, you will contribute for 42 years. Therefore, the principal invested in the NPS account is ₹1,000 into 12 into 42, which is equal to ₹5,04,000. The formula to calculate the pension wealth generated is the future annuity formula.
Here is the formula you can use to calculate the future value of annuity due. Here P denotes the monthly installment amount, R denotes the interest rate, and N denotes the number of years of investment. For example, consider that the monthly installment amount is ₹1,000. The interest rate of 10% per annum will be 0.008333 per month, and the number of years of investment, that is 42 years, will be equivalent to 504 months. When you calculate the future value of the annuity due as per the said formula, the pension wealth generated will be ₹78,07,820.91. The actual returns earned can be calculated by subtracting the principal invested in NPS from the pension wealth generated. That is shown on the screen. You can withdraw a lump sum of 60% of the accumulated corpus at the time of retirement. 60% of the accumulated corpus in the case of the above example is ₹46,84,692.54. The remaining amount, that is ₹31,23,128.364, will be reinvested in the annuity plan. Let's now calculate the monthly pension post-retirement. The amount is ₹31,23,128.364 is used to purchase an annuity plan that offers 6% interest. Consider that you invest in the annuity plan for 20 years. You can calculate the present value of annuity using the formula displayed on the screen. Here C represents the pension amount receivable per month after retirement, I represents the interest rate, and N represents the number of years of investment. The interest rate of 6% per annum is equivalent to 0.005 per month. The number of 5 years of investment, 20 years, is equivalent to 240 months. Since we know the present value of annuity to be ₹31,23,128.364, we can find the value of C, that is the pension value receivable. After substituting the corresponding values in the formula, the value of C can be understood as ₹22,378. Therefore, your monthly pension will be ₹22,378.
ClearTax NPS calculator is a user-friendly tool. You just have to follow these simple steps to estimate your pension corpus earned through NPS. First, enter your current and retirement age in years using the sliding bar. Second, enter the monthly contribution that you would like to make towards your NPS account. Third, enter your expected annual rate of return on your investment. Fourth, enter the annuity period in years using the sliding bar. Fifth, Enter the percentage of your pension wealth you'd like to invest in an annuity plan. And finally, enter your expected annual rate of return on the annuity plan. Upon entering the details mentioned, our NPS calculator would show your principal amount invested, interest earned on your investment, pension wealth created, amount reinvested in the annuity plan, lump sum amount withdrawn, and your monthly pension post-retirement. First, it is very simple and user-friendly. Second, you can change your inputs and check your retirement corpus for various combinations of your inputs. Third, the results will be displayed in the fractions of a second. Fourth, you get to know the amount accumulated in your NPS account at retirement. Fifth, you may estimate the monthly contribution to NPS and calculate the corpus at retirement. And sixth, you also get to know the annuity amount from the corpus invested after retirement. Well, the advent of technology has simplified finances to a great extent. Today, individuals can estimate the future worth of their investments and plan their finances accordingly. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.